This video contains footage from the haunting at Miss Angel's farm. Footage may contain flashing lights, disturbing images, adult images, and other images that may be disturbing to some viewers.
Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We are here at Miss Angel's farm for their first ever haunting at Miss Angel's farm. This is going to be a local haunt event. We are super excited to check it out. We have a lot of things to do, including a walkthrough of their haunted attractions. So if you'd like to join us, let's go.
Tonight we are visiting the haunting at Miss Angel's farm in Mount Airy, North Carolina. This year marks the first year of operation for this new haunt event. We will be experiencing a haunted trail, corn maze, and much more. So let's get checked in.
Alright guys, so when you get here, they've got one main entrance and all the parking is out that direction. But once you park, you'll walk in, just follow the gravel road up here, and you'll hang a right to the building right here, and that's where you'll get your tickets or check in.
Alright guys, just an FYI, you can buy your tickets online in advance, but they are $20 per person, and there is a waiver involved. But we're going to take a quick look at some of this merch up here. Let's take a look. Alright, so it looks like they're selling a Haunting at Miss Angel's Farm t-shirt. We'll definitely snag one of these considering it's the first year. They also have some cutesy little shirts. And lastly, this is where you can get your refreshments. Seth and I are actually going to get some cider. Alright guys, so here is our cider. I do believe it is included with the ticket price, and also we were able to get some cool t-shirts. So this is really cool, again, like I said, considering this is the first year of the event. That's a cool little souvenir. Oh, and it even has, on the front, it has the logo right there. Super cool. Alright, so we're going to let the first group go on ahead into the haunt there. It looks like they take you by group, and I think it's by time. But also over here, if you wanted to hang out before or after, they have a little viewing area, and it looks like they're playing horror movies, which is really cool. Let's take a closer look here. And they also have a bonfire, and it looks like a little photo op with a skeleton on a tractor, as well as some little games over here. Looks like these are the, I don't really know what they're called. I call them like life-size hamster balls. I don't really know what they're called, but they have some games. Oh, and they have more games over here like checkers and like oversized Jenga. But yeah, you can just hang out over here and make a night out of it. Alright guys, so it is time for us to go into the haunt now. The line starts here at these signs, so we're going to head down there now.
Ugh. It's like we're going through a cornfield here. So it's definitely cool. Oh man, I wasn't ready. At least the moon is out. Okay, I think okay, no, there was, it was like part of an ear of corn. Okay. Oh, it's a scarecrow. Okay. Oh my word! It was a person.
That's scary.
Oh my god. I wasn't ready. Oh, here it is.
Don't get scared. Oh no, too late.
I guess just through here. Okay, so now we got a more dense area. Oh my word! Man. Okay. Oh my word!
Oh my
Hello.
God, a clown! Oh no!
Yeah, that's creepy. Okay, so over here crashing in the cornfield is a UFO. Okay. We're just gonna keep going that way. Somebody call the MIB. We're pretty good ways out from where we started, y'all. What the hell is this? It's like the Grudge or the Ring or something. Yeah, the Ring. Oh my word. Yeah. Okay. I think you're good now. Maybe.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, now it looks like we're about to Okay, never mind.
She's still
They didn't leave us alone. Okay.
Oh,
So it looks like we're going to some kind of,
no. Church?
yeah, something like that. We're okay. You can leave us alone now.
Oh no.
Okay. That. It's like the nun or something. Oh dear word. Ugh.
Oh, we've got 2 of them.
Yeah. I don't know about this. I think we should just keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want none. Get it? Ugh.
They're tag teaming us.
Huh?
They're still coming.
Okay. Ah! Oh no! Oh,
Listen, it chilled up my spine.
golly! Shoo! I wasn't ready for that. Whew! Ah! Okay. Okay. Ah! Someone got a chainsaw in the cornfield. We're just gonna keep going this way. Shoo! Yeah, I don't want to get injured. Okay. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this at all. It's one of these you don't know if they all somebody, if it's just a dumb.
Oh jeez, I think we found out which one moves.
Well, at least one of them.
Oh no.
I don't. Whatever they're doing, I don't want none of it.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
Oh jeez.
Oh. Okay. Is someone still laughing?
Funny.
Yeah. I don't know if you could see that, but some dude was running at us.
Oh.
At first he just crawled out like at my feet. So
I think that clown thinks it's funny.
in a way I feel like we're getting closer back to where he was.
Oh, the clown?
Yes.
Well, I seen him once.
We've kind of circled, we're like circling back up the hill sort of. Do we go through the cornfield? No, I think we're going to keep going straight. We got to go around all these clothes and linens.
Oh,
Okay.
I think you're right.
I'm hearing something.
I'm cackling.
Man, this ain't good.
No.
I don't like having to weave in and out of these. Okay. Hello. We're just gonna keep going this way. I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's so funny.
He thinks it's funny. We've heard him cackling the whole way.
Yeah. Oh my God.
He's my child.
No, I don't. No thanks.
So happy for you.
No. Creepy van. Yeah. There was a noise.
Okay. Keep going.
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh Lord, somebody shut a door. Oh my gosh! I'm glad you noticed before I did.
I heard some crinkling of grass running
I
up.
don't know what that is,
Woo.
but I don't want none of it. Okay.
Got more.
Ugh. Okay. They've got some little buildings up here or something. Biohazards. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to go in. and they got strobe lights. I don't really want to, but I guess we've got to. Ugh, this is... I don't know what happened to that guy. Oh my God. No. Just slip on by here. Oh, we gotta go in here. I don't like that it's already moving around. No, no, no. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. Sir, don't mind us. We're just gonna...
Oh no!
We won't tell nobody. We're just gonna slip on out of here. Oh, spooky. Okay. All right, we gotta go in another building here. Ugh. I guess this is some of the people that he had. I don't know. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh, not the baby dolls.
Pretty Dolly.
Pretty Dolly. Okay. Oh, there's someone here.
There's someone here.
Oh, okay. Well, they're in chains, so maybe they can't get to us. It's a nice collection you have. Okay. You know, maybe later. I don't have a key.
Some chain cutters. Okay, we will. Oh gosh, can't see.
Yeah. Yeah, it's foggy. Oh no. I think we're going in here, but I can't see a thing. We're good. Okay, something's knocking. I don't like that. Oh dear.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Okay. 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 Ah! Woo! Okay. Dude, no. The light. This. I didn't like that. I could see, and then I couldn't see.
I seen somebody.
That was terrible.
And it was ghost face.
Ah! Oh, okay. We're ah!
Oh,
okay.
geez.
Yeah, we're just... Yeah. Can we just slip on by? We're just gonna not.
I don't think he wants... Oh, no, look.
Oh.
I want to run too. They are no
Oh, my God. Little twins. That ain't creepy at all.
No.
You're still getting followed, too.
Oh, God.
I don't know where we go.
I guess we just asked them.
Okay. I guess we're...
Hi,
Hello.
what's your name?
Seth.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Do you want to be my friend?
Out of my hair?
Depends. Sure. Okay. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Too much. Well, you don't really have long hair, so we can't make friendship bracelets. But he has to wait. Hey! He can help finish the teeth tiara.
Really?
You'll help us finish the teeth tiara?
Sure.
Your teeth.
Well, I didn't necessarily, but they just asked how many teeth I
You
had.
can grow new ones.
Oh, okay.
That's what my mommy said whenever I ripped out mine.
No. Come here now and run.
Okay.
It's beautiful. And your hair, look at your hair.
Oh my
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. She has long hair. We can make the friendship bracelets out of it. Yay! We're leaving. Yes.
Wait,
Yeah.
where are you leaving us? We'll be right back. I'm gonna go condition and I'll be back.
Okay, really?
Cool? Yeah.
Don't leave us. She's not gonna come back.
I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back.
Yeah,
Why are you leaving us? Why are you leaving us? Why are you leaving us? Why are you leaving us?
Okay. Okay.
We'll be back, I promise.
Ah! Okay. Okay. Hello. I hope you're okay.
Those girls back there.
That
They
was-
need some help.
That was. No, no thanks.
Everybody wants our skin.
I
and
need
our
my
teeth
skin. I need
and
my
our
teeth.
hair.
Okay.
Everybody want that. Oh
Okay, they're still following me. Okay, so we're near a graveyard. No, no thanks. I don't want. No, I don't. Let me understand. No, no, thank you. I don't. You might have some other visitors coming later.
Let me understand.
No, thank
Let me
you.
understand.
No, thank
Let me
you.
understand.
We got some spooky dude up here. I guess we're going this way. Are you? I hope you're okay.
I think there's a biohazard.
Yeah, we're gonna just slip on through here
Gosh.
and not get.
Wood.
I hope we don't get contaminated.
Okay. Oh gosh, this stuff comes for us.
Ugh. We're just gonna go on this way. Oh, okay.
My name is Malachi. I will get you back to the barn.
Okay.
I thought that was a stand holding that planter. Oh my god.
Ugh. Are you okay?
You trust him?
I guess so. All right. He told us to follow him, so now we're getting on.
You're getting them?
Alright guys, so we just got out of the hunt, and the cool thing is you get to ride up on the tractor and do the hayride back up to the farm. So we'll see you guys up there. Alright guys, so we just got home from the Haunting at Miss Angel's event. Wanted to give you our review of the event. So this is their first year doing this event, and it was actually really good. So the event takes place on the farm. They have other events there as well throughout the year, and it went through the corn maze, and then they actually had some set pieces, which actually surprised me, it being their first year. I didn't really know what they were going to have to work with, if it was just going to be more of like an actor experience.
Yeah, I actually didn't really know what to expect, because normally for the other events we kind of would like look up
something before.
videos or something on the website, pictures or something, but where this was new, really didn't have nothing to go on, but it was a great surprise. Yeah, and hey, it's only $20. You're not really going to find a haunt, and for us, a local haunt that's this close to us, for that cheap. And they have the little like setup. You could go and like watch the horror movie before or after. You could get the cider, hot chocolate. I may even get some t-shirts and some merch. They had that stuff too. They had a lot of good scares going back to the actual haunted attraction. They had great set pieces. It got a lot better. I think the second half was a little bit more intense. Yeah, it sort of kind of warms you up into that, which was nice. And it's very dark. Like, because it's just out in the woods, pretty much. And we were, we went through very early, so it's going to be dark no matter what time you go. But yeah, it was really good. So if you're looking for like an introduction to a haunt event and you're local, you don't want to drive maybe hours to get to an event, this may be a good introduction for you or your family, because it still does have some like great horror aspects, but it's also on the farm, and we'd seen plenty of families you know, going through. But anyways guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you plan on visiting Miss Angel's this year or hopefully in the future, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.